Greetings to all of you, my dear friends. I'm sure that many of you will readily agree with me that in order to succeed in today's growing blockchain ecosystem, it's no longer possible to rely only on one-dimensional approach to success. This is because the market is actually saturated with coins, the purpose of which is no more than to be a medium of exchange with one or two additional functions. That is why, in order to be popular, in demand and generally able to meet the increasing demands of the modern user, the best minds of humanity have to work hard. And as you have already understood, this work has brought its fruits, which I want to share with you now. In a word, ladies and gentlemen, meet Phore Blockchain. I know that one blockchain will not surprise you now. However, don't jump to the conclusion, because Phore Blockchain has something to surprise you with. And all because the developers of Phore Blockchain try to implement on the basis of their created blockchain also such a platform that promotes decentralized trading and which by its nature will be absolutely free and resistant to many negative factors. Well, what intrigued you? Then watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet for some reason. In the meantime, I will return to our main topic, Phore Blockchain. It's worth noting that the developers took OAK as a basis of their conceptual development model. Yes, you had right. They took the OAK model as the basis for the Phore Blockchain, and they did this only so that each created element, every application, every company based on the Phore Blockchain is a single ecosystem. Masternodes strengthen the network and take care of transactions and decentralization. Another important factor is staking in the Phore ecosystem, providing the necessary stability. A wide range of projects, both developed and implemented on the basis of this platform, represent the crown of a tree. So we see that the Phore Blockchain covers all aspects of the ecosystem created by the development team and creates forward-looking solutions through their decentralized marketplace. Both large trading companies and end customers are in focus here. The marketplace will get integration like a decentralized exchange. More cryptocurrencies will be added in the near future, which, by the way, is complemented by the PHR coin, which in its structure is only one of the branches in the Phore Blockchain tree. I hope you explained it clearly. As they say in a simplest and most accessible language to you, if we sum up all of the above, then Phore Blockchain will provide us with a simple neurotic number of opportunities, including atomic swaps and sidechains, fast, scalable, secure and reliable transactions, options for both private and transparent transactions, rewards for participating in the Phore Blockchain network similar to interest payments, a decentralized trading platform, an advanced and flexible smart contract platform for creating decentralized dApp applications that can later be used in conjunction with private transactions, allowing you to create new decentralized business models with privacy support and that allow you to control not only all your money but also your personal information. Initial coin offerings on the Phore Blockchain platform, as well as fundraising through crowdfunding and much more. Simply put, Phore Blockchain will be an ecosystem that will continuously improve the technology underlying PHR while creating ever new and innovative applications, host a decentralized marketplace, provide crowdfunding opportunities, and offer blockchain-related services to third parties, both public and private. Thus, the utility of PHR, which affects all aspects of the ecosystem, will be multifaceted, which I think is very cool. And what do you say about this? Write your thoughts on this in the comments. By the way, I completely forgot to tell you about the team and another very important detail. The CEO and tech veteran Michael Trisco, with more than 25 years of experience in the tech sector, who has roots in Silicon Valley. Then there is a very talented core developer, Julian Meyer, who in addition to Phore's main activities provides blockchain solutions and consulting services for other projects together with his Phore Labs team. Phore was, for example, asked by Ethereum in 2018 to use parts of Phore's code for Ethereum 2.0. You can see this in GitHub. But this is not all that Phore Blockchain is ready to surprise you with. Because right now I'm going to introduce you to the Graphene. It's a project that the Phore team has been working on for quite some time, and we are very close to the release. It's worth noting that the Graphene is a next-generation blockchain architecture that uses the Casper consensus protocol. At the same time, the Graphene segmentation protocol itself is a collection of various blockchains that work in tandem to speed up transactions. You can certainly read more about its technical component yourself. The only thing I will note is that the powerful combination of technologies makes Graphene better than all its competitors. And all because it aims to complete what Ethereum started, that is, to build on and adapt to smart contract technology to meet the growing needs of the industry. Perhaps the best thing about Graphene is that the protocol itself is composite, meaning that its developers can dynamically adapt to the market, adding and removing features as needed using segmentation technology. This in turn ensures that Graphene is always up to date and makes it much more attractive to businesses and organizations that want to refine their systems, as Graphene can customize blockchain solutions to suit their needs. Where one of these solutions is the possibility of its use in such areas as healthcare, logistics, and so on. After all, thanks to the easily transmitted data and their instant availability, it allows specialists anywhere in the world in the event of an emergency to view not only the full history of who viewed them and when, but also to track their history of creation, as well as to eliminate several stumbling blocks that prevent the full development of the entire healthcare sector. As always, you can get more and more detailed information about this by contacting the official social resources of our project today, which you will always find in the description below this video. In the meantime, let me tell you another exciting news related to airdrop Graphene, take part in which any of you can, for which in fact you will receive GFN tokens absolutely free of charge. After all, the conditions for obtaining them are very simple. All you have to do is keep PHR tokens in your wallet during the blockchain snapshots, of which there will be 6 in total, and one of them has already been made on the 14th of March of this year. The announcement of the next snapshot will be announced very soon, so in order not to miss this information, subscribe to the official resources of Phore Blockchain, because you will only be able to get GFN tokens in this way and in no other way. You can also learn all the details and conditions of the distribution in more detail by yourself using the links specified in the description. And that's it for me. I sincerely thank you all for your attention and say goodbye to you until my next video review, which I will publish on my Crypto Lady channel very soon. And believe me, I have something else to surprise you with.